Petey. Hi. What you doing? I'm gonna tape you. Are you hungry? I think you're hungry, huh? You're just going around in circles. Where are you going? I can't see you. You went around in a circle. You went around in a circle. You're rubbing, huh? You're itchy. Come here, Petey. Where are you going?